So now that you have a design on your collector that you downloaded from Works Manager or from a flash drive, maybe you want to export that to a machine as well, either GCS 900 or Earthworks machine. All you're going to have to do that is, if you have a TSC5, you'll need the adapter dongle to plug a USB into your controller. If you have a 7, the USB has a port built in there. And I just hooked mine up, so I'll make sure it's there. Yep, USB drive. Then all you're going to have to do is come up here, and since you have USB connected, you'll have this option here under Data Management, Export to Machine. So tap that, and we're going to switch the export data type to Design. And if it's a GCS 900 machine, all of ours are going to be CB460s. So select that one, and then take the design you want. Yep. File location USB drive. Yep. And hit accept. And here's the part where you have to give it some permissions and select where you want it to go. So this is what it'll look like on the TSC5. And you just got to go up here to this menu, hit USB disk, and say use this folder and allow. And there we go. And if you need it on an Earthworks dozer, it's the same process. Just go to Export to Machine, change this to Design, and instead of CB460, we're going to say Earthworks. And it'll do the active design. You won't have, so whatever design you want to export, it'll have to be the one you have open in your project on the collector. And hit accept. And sometimes this one can take a little bit longer than the GCS 900. And there we go. Data saved successfully. And then one thing I like to do just to make sure everything worked good before I go hop out of the truck or take to the machine or whatever, is before I unplug my USB drive, I'm going to go in and make sure that all the files have size to them so that they're actually written correctly. So for the GCS 900, that's going to be in machine control data, all. There's the model, and you can see here this one has 647, 352, and 29.67. So yeah, those all have size. Those ones are good. We're going to go back, and then the Earthworks will be in Project Library, Projects, and Designs. And there we go. That DSD file has 38.69. So we're good to go. And then before you unplug, make sure you unmount the USB. Otherwise you might corrupt your files. So all you do to do that is go here in your drop-down menu and tap this arrow over here and hit eject. And then it is safe to remove the USB, and you should be good to go.